week of exquisite planning here on my channel, Exquisite Glow. So today I am going to be planning the week of May 28th through June 3rd. I am going to be using a different type of sticker that I'll be showing you here in a minute. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely go ahead and follow me there. I did show the sticker sheet there. It is at exquisite_planning. It is here on the screen. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on future Plan With Me videos. Don't forget to also hit the notifications bell so you guys are notified whenever I upload on my channel and things don't get lost in your feed, because they only send the notifications to a certain amount of people. Make sure that you click so that you get all of my notifications for all of my uploads. That would be awesome, you guys. And if you're already subscribers, go ahead and do me a favor and do that so you guys don't miss out on my videos, because I know that you guys like the Plan With Me's. But anyways, I'm gonna turn back here and show you guys last week's spread just in case you missed it. This is what I used. This one was from OHDOODLESHOP. It's super cute. I love the mint, peach, and pink. I really love how everything turned out. Today is Saturday the 26th, and I should be uploading this no later than Monday. Unfortunately, I do have a little bit of a busy week in a way. Hopefully Monday I don't, and I can just go ahead and upload then. But yesterday was my mother-in-law's birthday. We went out and celebrated with her. We went for dinner and then we went to the mall to walk around. It was actually really fun, very chill. And then today is my father's birthday. We're gonna be going also out for dinner, and he wants to go to the casino after, so we are definitely gonna do that. He's been bugging us to go to this buffet for a while, and it's kind of far, so we always kind of don't go, but since it's his birthday we can't say no, so we are going. Anyways, you guys, this is the sticker sheet that I'm talking about. This is what I'm going to be using today. Again, I featured this in my Instagram account, so if you're not following me there, go ahead and follow me so you don't miss out on my posts. But this sticker sheet I got at the dollar store. If you missed the video of my haul showing you guys everything that I got at the dollar store, then definitely go ahead and check it out. I'll put it here on a card and also down in the description so you can check that out. This is supposed to be laser paper. To me, it's more like a holographic glitter. Let me see. Here is a close-up, and when you put it in the light a little bit, you can see the holographic glitter. But yeah, it's pretty much just a princess theme. It's super cute. So I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted to see me use this in a Plan With Me, and you guys said yes. A few of you said yes, so that is what I want to do. I think that this is the perfect time to use it. And other stickers that I'm going to use to tie in are these. These are from Pretty Easy Planning. I got these from her so long ago, you guys, like when I first started doing my Plan With Me's, and I did save a lot of them because I didn't use them all. But I feel like these are the perfect ones to use for today because the colors are just very princessy like, and you know, I don't know, I just feel like the colors are great for this. So this is what I'm going to be dipping into. As to for washi, I couldn't decide, so I have all of these washies. Here you go. So I think I just ordered a white washi with gold hearts. I didn't know I had one. That's the problem I have with my washies, the way I have them stored. Some of them, I can't see them, so I forget I have them, but I have it. Anyways, I don't know which ones I'm going to dip into. But I do for sure want to incorporate gold, because the gold foil, because you know that's the fad right now. Or the style, not the fad, the style, because I know that's going to be staying for a long time. Alright, you guys, now this week I really don't have much pre-planned because I just don't have any outings or anything, you know. And since I'm not using an actual sticker kit, I'm going to see if I can find some quote stickers in my binder here. Actually, I think I have them in here. Yeah, here they are, in there. So these stickers are from the Happy Planner sticker books. So I'm just going to go through it and kind of see which one I would like to use. Alright, you guys, so my camera shut off because the memory card was full. I honestly didn't see exactly where it stopped filming. However, I think you might have seen this part here. I went in and continued talking to myself, and then I added this flag here to this box. I picked this up a little bit and then tucked it under. That's what I did. So I'm just gonna continue. Now, this is no longer Friday. This is actually Monday morning, you guys. I know, I'm sorry. It's today. Today is Memorial Day. When the camera shut off and I realized it did, I got kind of stressed out. Plus, I was hungry. So I'm like, let me go eat. I made food, ate, and then it was time to get ready because we were going to go out. Yes, sorry guys. So I'm back today and let's finish up this plan with me. So sorry again, guys. But yeah, so I'm using this sticker set. Sorry guys, I'm trying to like remember what I was doing. I know that I said I don't really have much to do this week, which I don't. I'm gonna lay down some more full-size boxes. And I'm gonna lay this one down here just to add some color. So since most of the weekend already went by, you guys, I'm so sorry. Yesterday we went to a fiesta, like celebration thing, the next town over with our cousins. It was super fun. We got some burritos, we pulled out our lawn chairs, and we just, you know, ate and listened to Mexican music. It was super fun. We did dance a little bit, you know. It was a really, really good time. So that's what we did yesterday. All right, so this is all the boxes I have. All right, I'm gonna put this one down. I really like this floral pattern. It's so pretty. This is from here. I'm gonna put this one of these flags. Even though I already put it over here, one of those, I'm gonna put it here. Just to add some more design to my spread. I am going to use these though. This one is the To Clean. I'm so bad. Okay, there you go. And usually I clean on Thursdays. This is when I like to do my cleaning. I don't know why, that just works out for me. Okay, so I just found out yesterday that we have a graduation party to go to on Sunday, and even though it's not a birthday, it's still a celebration, so I'm just gonna add that sticker. Little cake, because I'm sure they'll have pastries, they always do. All right, I do have this, so I'll put this one down here. This is a hard checklist. Let's see if I have any things to do. Okay, now we are filming on Tuesday and on Friday. We're supposed to. So I'm gonna lay down these stickers. Let's put down some washi tape. This one here is from a tube from Me and My Big Ideas. So you guys know that I like to put a little bit of, I like to cover up these here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with this. I know that it might be a little bit see-through, but it's okay. I think it'll still look really pretty. Alright guys, so I ended up whiting out this here and I put the washi over it because you guys know that I've seen some lettering in here. Hi Chloe. My dog just came in the room. All right, right here, important. This pink one. And I thought that would be perfect to put here. There we go. So nice. Possibly on Thursday though, I will need to go take care of some business. I'll just lay that down just in case I do go do it that day. And I'm just gonna lay down a few more of these stickers. So pretty. I'm gonna turn it around. That is so cute. I love it. Alright you guys, I think this turned out really pretty. This is all before the pen, and if you would like to see it after it's been filled in and everything, definitely follow me on Instagram at exquisite_planning. That information is here on the screen and also down in the description below. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. It would make me so happy if you guys joined in on the Exquisite family for planning. But anyways, you guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Again, this one was a little off because I started like a few days ago planning and I ended up a few days later because of all the ordeal with my memory card. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys all so much, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye guys. Mwah.